Today, I'm gonna share how to make lemon curd. If you made it before but had some issues, keep watching. I'm sharing how to make it step by step. In my next video, I'm sharing how to make delicious lemon cupcakes using the lemon curd and the lemon buttercream. So let's get started. First, combine whole eggs and egg yolks in the pot. It's important to whisk them really well at this point so that they blend with sugar more evenly. Eggs without sugar protection gets cooked up much faster, like scrambled egg. Okay. Add lemon zest to add the amazing flavor. And add lemon juice. The lemon curd gets tangier when using fresh lemon juice compared to a bottled lemon juice. I added the lemon juice at once, but you can also divide into a few times and mix well each time. And we're gonna start heating at low heat. When heating lemon curd, the most important thing is to mix fast and evenly to prevent the eggs from getting cooked partially and to make a very smooth lemon curd. Oftentimes, we miss the edges of the pan, so don't forget to scrape them off as well. Scrape off real good to prevent the curd from getting burned on the bottom. I like turning and moving the pot like this here and there. For me, it's easier to whisk it evenly that way. So once you feel that the liquid started getting thickened slowly, it's important to whisk really fast. Once it gets even thicker, the foams disappear. You can see it disappeared right here. Continue heating and mixing until the curd starts boiling all over the surface to cook eggs completely. Add cold butter. Add the double amount of butter when you want to make the curd even thicker. And ensure it's all melted. You can also add it after straining the curd, but today I'll do it here only because the curd gets looser with the melted butter and gets a little bit easier to strain it. I recommend straining the curd to make it even smoother. In case you got pieces of cooked eggs, the fine sieve can remove all that, so you don't have to worry too much. Wrap the surface tightly with plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge completely. And it is done. This is the basic lemon curd I use for all kinds of lemon desserts, such as lemon cakes, cupcakes, macarons, buttercreams, and more. It adds the amazing tanginess to them. When storing it in the jar to gift it to someone, pour it into the cream jars while it's hot. Close the lid tightly and place it upside down to kill all the possible bacteria in the air. Store it in the fridge, or you can also freeze it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you tried it at home, please let me know how it was and what kind of lemon desserts you used it for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.